So welcome to the Presidential Suite 143 at Drayton Manor Theme Park Hotel. You've got the stairs up to the level of the room. I love the decor in here. And on the right you've got the bathroom. Twin sinks. You've got hand wash and moisturiser. Have a nice big shower. See the toilet. And a lovely big bathtub. Lots of towels provided. And again you've got toiletries there as well. It's heated towel rail. You carry on walking around, you've got a great big mirror. And I've seen like pictures of and videos of this room online, but nothing really does it justice. Hi Nat. You've got little table and chairs there. Massive bed, which is probably a king, super king.
Bed test?
Pardon?
Bed test?
You can do a bed test if you like.
Just... Oh.
Is it good?
Yeah, it is actually.
It's good. That sofa is also a sofa bed, so you could have 4 people staying in here. A lovely big telly. Lots of sort of storage areas, got cupboards. Do you have tea, coffee making facilities? I've already helped myself to a Ferrero Rocher. Coffee, decaf in there as well, some hot chocolate. Tea. Little mirror and desk area. You have what looks like a balcony, but there actually is no access to the balcony. Those doors are locked at all times just for safety, which is understandable. Either side of the bed you've got sort of bedside cabinets. And you've also got your wardrobe. There's a trouser press in there, so it's a little bit dark. It's a bit dark in this room. You do have a safe, some spare blankets and things there too. No, I'm really impressed with the room, and for what I paid for it, I'm quite surprised that it only cost what it did. Now this room, I got £208 for bed and breakfast, and that also included 2 days park entrance for the 2 of us. So I think it's really good deal. Whether I just got it on a bit of a glitch on the system, I don't know, but I'll take it. It's a gorgeous room, and if I see it at that price again, would definitely do it again.
Also, one thing I just saw on the mirror here, there is a QR code, and you can scan here for bar and room service menus. So you can have room service. I don't think you can get it at standard rooms. So.
Oh, I see. I did say they should have like leaflets and information in here, but they're not on there. So on a little booklet that had our room tickets room cards, you've got a hotel welcome letter there, which I think gives you all the information that would have been in that little stand. I know, really lovely room, and we'll see how we sleep tonight and let you know in the morning. But we've got dinner booked at the hotel restaurant for 7. So for now we'll say goodbye, we'll sign off. See you later.